stunning, wouldn't you say, Bryce?
Absolutely, it literally looks like a painting.
Now we're finally hitting the beach. We tried to come down here this morning, but there was literally zero parking, so we decided to come back in the afternoon. This is my nice work from anywhere moment. Please ignore my crazy feet, but literally the best way to work. Here we are at Mount Rose Campground in Lake Tahoe. What do you got there, Bryce?
A gift from the Gorellis, which is a bug net thing.
Screenhouse.
Screenhouse. Here we go. Boom!
Perfect. We relocated it to the tent pad. It looks perfect, don't you think?
100%.
So this is where we're camping for the week. Great cell service. We have to walk to our little tent site, but that's okay because we're just hanging in the van anyways, most of the time. It's pretty solid, wouldn't you say, Bryce? And it's about 20 minutes from Kings Beach on one side and about 30 minutes from Reno on the other.
True that. And about 30 minutes from eating chicken and cheese.
Bryce's masterpiece.
Katie's impatient, so
We probably should have waited a little bit longer, but it'll be fine.
we're a little hungry.
Yeah. Time for an outdoor dinner. Get in there. Don't let the bugs in. Gosh.
What was it?
How is it?
I haven't tried it yet.
I mean, dinner with a view and no bugs though.
Right.
We have living large.
Yes, we are.
Alrighty, Brace. Ready to hike?
Incline flume trail?
Yeah.
Got it. 4.3, 206 foot elevation. This is my type of hike. I need this right now.
You deserve it.
Thank you.
You can see the lake out there. We're currently just walking down the highway though, trying to get to the trailhead.
Yeah.
How fast did you go? What?
Didn't register.
Oh my gosh.
Did it do it?
No. It says slow down. Well, good thing we came when we did, because there's a sign that says on Saturday.
Can you imagine doing that for 100?
There's some ultra marathons going on this trail. There's a 55K and then a 50 mile and a 100 mile race. Whoa.
I couldn't think of anything worse.
Bryce is practicing his bear deterrence.
Stay away, bear. Back off, bear.
That's good.
Right.
Actually, I think you need to be a little more stern.
Bear!
Fun fact, Bryce had a lizard.
I did, bearded dragon.
His name was Bob.
True that.
Bryce found the lake. It's kind of hard to see because it's way in the distance, but it's out there. I know what you're all thinking. That can't be Katie. Those aren't Katie's hiking boots. What are those? I got new hiking boots.
Well, that was what, like 4-ish, 4.2-ish mile hike.
Yeah.
Now we get to go make dinner and watch our new favorite show.
Alone. Going on a run. It's a little windy, so it might be kind of loud, but this view is too cool not to share. So check it out. Well, it's our last night here at Camp Bryce and Katie. So, we're gonna have to take down the hammock soon. But we decided to have a fire for our last night since this is one of the few places you can actually have a bonfire because of all the fire restrictions. Here comes the master chef. Bryce has been slaving away in the van while I've been here watching the fire. Very important job, very important job. What you got there, Bryce?
Scrimps.
Ooh. And we have asparagus. We're living it up. Moving on to the dessert phase of the evening. I smashed 3 marshmallows in here. Are we impressed?
I'm pretty impressed.
Thank you. I feel like it's one of the most impressive things I've ever done.
Wow.
We're having a nice home improvement moment. And by we, I mostly mean Bryce. We needed to replace this faucet. And thankfully the company sent us a new one. It only took like 4 months, but that's okay. So we're gonna put the new guy in. Well, Bryce successfully installed the new faucet. Way to go, Bryce.
Nice.
There were some minor setbacks because, well, they didn't send us the washers, so we had to install it like 4 times before we did it right. But we just got to shower for the first time in 2 weeks. And we also hiked Mount Whitney like 5 days ago and haven't showered, so.
We're pretty gross.
It was really needed. Well, I just got done with my run. And here's your Bryce. Ripping push-ups in the van. Sometimes you just gotta make a gym where you are. That's kind of the story of our lives. And we got smoothies. I kid you not, this is the best part of year 2 in the van, that we got this blender thing. I mean, it's just kind of awesome to be able to actually have like a cold smoothie or protein shake after you work out. Bryce is really crushing it tonight. Bryce, 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 Bryce. Be careful. We decided to take a little hike. We're entering a blackberry and mountain lion habitat, which is kind of crazy to think because I ran on this trail now. I'm a little freaked out. We are on the Tahoe Rim Trail. It's a long trail. Lots of backpackers on it. But we're just doing a short little sunset hike together because that's the kind of adventure we're into. How you doing, Bryce?
It's Friday, so we're doing great.
It's Friday.
Wow, that's a new one. We're hiking to some water source. Don't know if it's Lake Tahoe or not.
No, it's Lake Tahoe.
I said, does this think it's the lake? You said, I don't know.
Well, I don't know if we're going the right way, but like, in theory,
All right,
that's the plan. You're doing it. You're off the road. You're hiking big time now.
Off-roading. We're a mile away.
All right. People swimming down there, that's a good sign.
Where we're going, I
We think.
think. Go.
A tunnel. Don't be scared, okay?
I am.
Run. Hurry. Well, great news. We picked up some hitchhikers along the way. Kate and Jacob, we're all here in Tahoe for Anna and Julian's wedding. And we just drove in the van to go get some breakfast, so let's go check it out. Look at these beach people. The guys are going in. They're starting to chicken out. Walk, 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 walk. Chicken. We're all talk when we're not doing it.
Oh, God.
How is it?
Well, here the girls go.
We're gonna do it. It's cold. So it's time to get ready for these wedding festivities.
I'm warming up.
Well, we're at the resort. It's very cool.
Is this where we get jiggy with it?
This is where we break it down, baby.
Down there though, for reals? Is
Yeah,
that where things are happening?
This is where the reception is going down. Let's get these people married. Tahoe. We had a great time. The wedding was amazing. We danced the night away last night.
As always.
We're always first ones on the dance floor.
Last one's off.
But we had so much fun. The wedding was like beautiful. And now we're off to our next adventure. So, peace out, Tahoe.